My name is Jasmine Harris, and I'm the co-owner and co-founder of 1212 Hair Care. Our products consist of shampoo, conditioner, hair mist, mud mask, and scalp oil. I'm going to be presenting our products to you and giving you a little more detail about what we offer. So let's get into it. So a few things about 1212 is that Anthony and I formulated 1212 in 2016 to create a professional grade product line that both beauty professionals and clients at home can use regularly without damaging their hair or scalp. We are all about maintaining healthy hair. Our products do not specialize in hair growth, but specialize in maintaining healthy hair. Healthy hair is usually lightweight and free from dryness. Another thing to consider about our products is that both shampoo and conditioner contains vitamin B, C, E, B3, B5, and B6, which is naturally derived preservatives and will continue to strengthen your natural curl pattern. We always suggest our clients to use 1212 at home just in case they miss a salon visit. I'm reading from my trainer book right now because I can't just freestyle. Like, although we made the book, I'm just gonna read what I normally would tell a student. So as I'm talking to you, I'm talking as if I would be talking to a trainee or a student. So this is from our trainer book. This is what we usually tell our trainees. 1212 has been black owned since 2016. It's handmade and manufactured in a USDA certified facility. It's best to use within 6 months of purchase once you break the seal. This is our mud mask. The mud mask it looks just like mud. It's Dead Sea mud from Israel. It has bentonite, clay in it, keratin protein, vitamin E, chamomile, and amongst other ingredients that you can find on our website. The full list is on here. The great thing about the mud mask is that it removes old product buildup, and you want to remove old product buildup off the hair, because if you leave old product buildup on your hair, then it becomes lifeless, it becomes dull, it's weighed down, it doesn't look vibrant, it doesn't bounce when you move. To get that lightweight effect, you definitely want to remove old product buildup, especially when you're using products that have silicone in it, all types of wax, and when you do your wash and goes, you want to make sure to remove it regularly. So once a month, you can do a detox on your hair. And how you use the product is that you apply it on wet hair. Once you drench your hair with warm water to help assist lift that hair cuticle, you're going to use the mud mask. You want to apply it on the hair, let it dry. It usually don't take more than 2 minutes to dry, depending on the porosity of your hair. Once it's done drying, then you move on to the shampoo process. Our shampoo, which is a gentle cleanser, is a clarifying shampoo. It's not a moisturizing shampoo. It doesn't have alcohol, parabens, sulfates, none of that. It's a really lightweight cleanser. As y'all can see, it's not as thick. It doesn't have a lot of slip to it, but it's extremely effective. After removing the mud mask, you want to proceed with the cleanser. And the great thing about 1212 shampoo is that it leaves a sensation on your scalp that I cannot even describe. Like, when you finally experience the shampoo, it's a feeling at your scalp that you get from your scalp. So routinely, you do your mud mask. Every 2 weeks, you do your cleansing, right? Once you've done the cleansing part, you prep the hair to receive moisture. So if you're worried about retaining moisture, make sure that you are using a clarifying shampoo, and then you follow up with 1212 conditioner. So 1212 conditioner is like really thick. It's extremely thick, y'all, and it's extra rich. If you can see that, it's like so thick. I love this conditioner because it doesn't have silicone in it. It's great for low porosity hair. If you're having an issue with retaining moisture, you definitely need the 1212 conditioner. It's super lightweight, but it's extra thick so that it really penetrates the hair really well. It glides on like butter. So after you use the shampoo, your hair may feel a little dry, and that's not because you stripped your hair of oils. It's because it's squeaky clean. and it's prepping the hair to receive moisture, you want to make room off that hair shaft to receive moisture. Once you're done applying the conditioner, detangle your hair with a paddle brush and then use the steamer. You want to use a steamer if you have low porosity hair. I mean, the steamer is great for all porosities, but you definitely want to use a steamer for low porosity hair so that you could get as much moisture as possible. It's going to help lift that hair cuticle so that the products can penetrate the hair a lot more. That shine comes from the conditioner. When you blow dry your hair, you should have a shine to it. It should not look dull and weighed down. It should be fluffy and light and have a shiny cast to it, not a film, but just a slight shine to it. Our main ingredient in the conditioner is aloe juice. That's the first thing you're gonna see is aloe juice in our product. And that's important because you don't need any silicones in your hair because it's hard for the silicone to penetrate the hair cuticle. But what it does is it gives you an illusion that your hair is silky. But a few days go past and you like, my hair feel dry again. But when you use the 1212 shampoo and conditioner, your hair is going to feel like silky after you're done. Once you blow dry, it's going to feel so silky. And even 2 weeks from now or up until your wash day, it's going to continue to feel that way. So it's no illusion, it's all real. Now once you're done with the shampoo and the conditioner, you gotta use the holy grail, which is the hair mist. Y'all see it says protect because it protects against heat damage. It has grapeseed oil, which is a natural protectant. So oil is a sealant that protects your hair from hot tools causing damage on your hair shaft. Make sure that you removed all of the conditioner out of your hair so then when you do apply the hair mist, it do not be weighed down. So just take your time, you know, don't rush through this process. The hair mist is so lightweight, like it's completely organic. This is the holy grail. So use this as your heat protectant, but once you use it, you're not gonna have to use it again. Like you're not gonna have to use it on dry hair after you blow dry. You only need this when you're detangling or if you're about to blow dry. So the scalp oil is great for dryness. So just like on your skin, like your face and your hands and your arms, you may be experiencing dryness. Your scalp is your skin, it's a part of your skin, it's your skin. So you treat it like you would treat anything else on your body. You apply it to your scalp, you apply it to your skin. You don't need to apply it to the hair because it's very heavy and it'll weigh your hair down. So just apply it to the scalp. And gently scale the scalp so you can break up some of those dry flakes and give yourself a nice massage or give your client a massage on the scalp with the scalp oil. Let it sit for a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes, no longer than that is necessary. Then you proceed with the shampoo and conditioner process and you follow it all the way through. Now with the scalp oil, you can use with the mud mask like a combination treatment and it will come out like, oh my goodness. When I do the combination treatment, it's like the results are so amazing. I recommend the combination if you have low porosity hair but dry scalp. So I say that because you want to use this on your scalp, but then you don't want that oil to get stuck on your hair. So then you want to use the mud mask to lift that oil. Your scalp should be clear for up to a week. It depends on the severity of your dry scalp. But most clients say up to a week they don't see any flakiness. But usually it'll come back up when it's time to cleanse their hair. So I like using scalp oil for the scalp. It's a holy grail for us. But all of the products together work so well. It's so cohesive that you really don't need much more. You should stick to one product line because it'll help to create some type of order in your service and consistency in your service. So for us, ever since we started 1212, we haven't used another shampoo and conditioner because either A, it's just not the same, or B, we didn't really have to because we was able to see the desired results with just the shampoo, conditioner, hair mist, and the mud mask. Now, certain clients do require more. You know, they might require more of a shampoo or more of a mud mask or more of a scalp oil. There's so many different ways that you can use the product. It's not like a one-stop shop thing, like, oh, you just use all of these collective on every single client. You gotta know what to use and how to use it. So we are extremely transparent about how to use it on our social medias, on YouTube. We finally uploaded a video, and if you have any questions, feel welcome to DM us. If you follow through with our other YouTube video where we show you how to use the products, then you should get that same weightless, shiny outcome. Another factor to play into the outcome is your tools. What kind of tools are you using at home? You know, or if you're a stylist, what kind of tools are you using on your clients? What flat irons do you use? What blow dryers? All of that are key factors in achieving that silky silk press. But for the most part, the foundation of healthy hair is using a cleanser that would completely cleanse your hair, and using a conditioner that's going to completely hydrate your hair, and applying a heat protectant. That is the foundation of healthy hair. When you want to retain length, you want to make sure to get your trims regularly by a salon professional. Okay? And if you need a salon professional that use 1212, you can go to 12haircare.com and find a stylist on there that use the products in their city or state. If you don't know, our Instagram is 12TWELVE123 If you have any concerns or questions about using our products, and we will assist you as much as we can, y'all. Being as though our products are created with organic additives, be mindful that when you receive your products, it may be a separation of oils, you know, and if it is, just shake it up. In our hair mist, we don't have an emulsifier, which is a bonding agent to bond water and oil. We decided not to go that route. We want to have as less fillers as possible. So if you do see a separation in your hair mist, your heat protectant, or your mud mask, make sure you just mix it together and use it how we suggested on our social medias, on our website, on YouTube. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys some insight from a licensed and trained hair professional, beauty pro. Just thank y'all so much for being a part of our family-owned business. We are honored to be able to service our community with such a good product. So yeah, and I'll see y'all in the next video.